Hey guys, welcome back to my channel IT Man. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable filter button for table. First of all, you should click on table, and after that you should go through design tab, and after that you should find filter button option here. As soon as I uncheck this option, there is no filter here. And if I check this option, there's a filter here, and I can filter my data with this option. Thanks for watching to this small video. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you very much.